Hi, hello. We have completed caps, capital letters. There are 24 letters. We are going to learn small letters. Can you repeat capital letters? Alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, zeta, eta, theta, iota, kappa, lambda, mu, nu, psi, omicron, pi, rho, sigma, tau, epsilon, phi, chi, psi, omega. Now we are going to learn cursive letters. Cursive letters, since you know name of the letters, so I will write down and I will show it to you. Alpha. Alpha is like this. Beta. Gamma. Gamma can be written like this. Delta. It's like eggplant. Epsilon. Epsilon is just like E. Zeta. Eta. It's like a small n but with a tail. Theta. Iota. There is a I but there is no dot on it. It's like I but there is no dot on it. Kappa is just like K. Lambda. Lambda is just like this. Mu or mu. Mu is like this. Mu. Nu. Nu is just like V and there is a small curve. Nu. C. C. Omicron. It's like O. Omicron. Pi. Pi. Rho. Rho can be written like this. Rho. Sigma. There are two sigmas in cursive letters. Sigma. This sigma is written in beginning or in between the letters. Sigma. There is another sigma. It's just like S. It is written end of the word. Towards the end of a word. Tau. Tau is like this. Tau. Epsilon can be written like U. Epsilon. Phi. Phi is similar to capital letter Phi. Chi is like X. Psi is like a trident, a small trident. Omega resembles English W. Omega. So I encourage all of you to read and by heart the small letters so that you can read further lessons by yourself. Thank you for joining in this class. Join next lesson where I teach you the combination of letters, punctuations and diphthongs and other things I am going to teach next lesson. Please introduce this class to your friends. Subscribe. Thank you.